Hi, I'm Stephane Lapointe, a Microsoft Azure MVP and Cloud Solution Architect at ShareGate. There's a lot of different ways that you can get visibility over your cloud cost. Microsoft has a free tool, Azure Cost Management or ACM, that provides you with lots of spending data. If you're a developer, you might also be thinking or even tempted that you could build your own Azure Cost platform, which offers you the flexibility to customize what information you want to inspect. Then of course there are tools like ShareGate Overcast, which is a cost intelligent tool that analyzes your data to provide you with insights so you can run the most efficient cloud infrastructure possible. In this video, I'll talk about the pros and cons of these three different options to help you figure out which one might work best for you. So follow me, we'll take a look at those three options. Back in the days, I was doing all those manual checks several times a week, and it was a burden. So spending several hours a week to check resources, their metrics, the cost, trying to pinpoint exactly where I need to put my attention and focus and try to improve things in my Azure environments, this is very, very time consuming. So we searched for the right tool. At that time, we didn't find any tool that was fitting our needs, and the tools that existed often were charging a percentage of our Azure consumption, which is something I really dislike, and I didn't want to go that route. So then we decided to create Overcast, and it was for our own internal needs, so that it can free me time and I can concentrate on something that is more important to the business than doing all those manual checks. Roughly 2.5 years after we decided to create Overcast and to put it commercially available, because we thought we had something with ShareGate Overcast and we were really proud of the product. So ACM came out, and it was about time because it was a missing piece in the Microsoft offering, and they did great actually. It gives you a lot of visibility over your costs, not much about insights, but this is something we will talk about a little bit more in the video. But at least you have something, you're able to see your cost data and you're able to inspect it if you want. With the different discussion we have with clients, one of the things I often hear is, hey, there's ACM for free. Why should I need Overcast? And there's no right or wrong answer here. It's really what you're trying to achieve. So ACM allows you to dig into your cost data and will give you a lot of options, filtering, grouping, etc. But you really need to know what you're looking for and what you're after. It won't give you that much proactive insights and things like that. So you really need to know, basically you're looking at charts, and there's a lot of flexibility around what options you have to shoot different angle for those charts. But yeah, so I tend to think that with a lot of flexibility comes a great deal of complexity, and I think it's a little bit the point at the moment with ACM. So it's very flexible, but you really need to know what you're looking for and what you're trying to achieve and what information you're after. I can do it myself. That I heard it a lot from customers, and trust me, I've been a developer for 16 years. I'm more on the architecture side now and automation, etc. But I deved for more than 16 years, and I know that reflex. I know that I'm a craftsman, I can build it myself. And even at the beginning of Overcast, I was doing this, creating script, writing code in my preferred programming language in order to create that tool that will save me time doing those manual checks, checking Azure metrics, resources metrics, etc. But in the end, it takes a lot of time. I also tried Power BI. Oh, okay, there's a couple of graphs I can improve the report aspect of it to get more visibility. So yes, you can do that, but you still need to design and come up with the visual and they will remain graphics only and not that great an experience to solve problem. Like in ACM or other tools, it shows you your info but doesn't give you much insight or exactly what you're looking for. You can always plug your cost data into AI yourself. It is doable, probably way more complicated than you expected. And what will be the end experience? Like I said, probably static data, not a great UX, but still, you can do it. ShareGate Overcast automatically gives you insights into your cloud costs, identifies cost issues, and gives you the details you need to make in order to make quicker and better informed decisions. ShareGate Overcast analyzes your Azure spending to give you insights into how efficiently you're working in Azure and if there's unusual activity in your spending. We have something called anomaly detection that will scan your Azure Cost data automatically for you, and it will just save you the burden and time to check all those curves and metrics, etc., to say to you, hey, there's something wrong there. Compared to yesterday, there's a big spike that needs your attention. And so you don't need to do all those manual checks all the time now. You just leave it to ShareGate Overcast, to the anomaly detection, and you will have a lot of great insights about what to concentrate and investigate. The affected resources name, type, resource group, and subscription will all be there in your data. So the usual spending versus the average spending over the past 30 days, the last action taken on the resource, and who initiated it. So the resource owner, who we think is the resource owner, and all the related meters for the past 30 days. So basically, ShareGate Overcast shows you where to focus your attention so you can fix issues before they become even bigger problems for your business. For sure, you can build your own tools, let's say using anomaly detection API from Microsoft, plug in your Azure Cost data in there, but honestly, it is very not trivial. It will take you days, if not several weeks, to build something like this, and it will only give you the spikes and the anomaly. You won't have a complete experience like something like we have in Overcast. That feature took our dev team almost 2 months to build. So again, your choice, but I'm pretty sure you have something better to do in your business to bring value than trying to come up with the next anomaly detection engine. So basically, in ShareGate Overcast, anomaly detection just works out of the box. So you can always go to ACM, export your data, analyze it yourself, most likely by building custom Power BI reports and spending a lot of time manual checking those anomalies. But it will still be very time consuming. All three of these options can help you find information about your Azure spending, but they do it in different ways. ACM has a ton of data and lets you get very granular, but you really need to know what you're looking for even before starting querying your data. Building your own cloud cost tool might save you the money on the purchasing side of a product, but it will cost you a lot of time and effort, and we don't talk about maintenance here. And it will probably only give you static data, so you still have to do the analysis yourself. ShareGate Overcast scan your Azure environment daily to give you insights on your past, current, and forecasted spending. And it gives you the rich contextual data to fix issues right away, so they don't become bigger problems in the future. Best of all, it has both free and premium plans, so you can try it out today without making any commitment or having any risk. So thank you so much, and happy cost saving. See you next time.